1. Other name, Hess theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. थ्योरम किसी भी छात्र के लिए थोड़ी सी परेशानी का सबब होता है। इसी को ध्यान में रखकर हमने आज हल्के तरीके से सामान्य भाषा में हेस थ्योरम बताने का प्रयास किया है। ABC, let ABC is a triangle in which DE parallel BC, पैरेलल का साइन पैरेलल BC. To prove AD by DB बराबर AE by EC, यानी two distinct point each other, sides are divided in the same ratio. Sides divided in same ratio means AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Construction. Draw L M construction. Draw EL perpendicular AB, DM perpendicular AC, and join EB and DC, EB and DC. Proof. Area of triangle EAD, area of triangle EAD equal to 1/2 base into height. 1/2 base AD, height EL equal to 1/2 base AD into EL equal to 1/2 AD into EL और AR EAD सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म है, इसलिए AR EAD इक्वल टू 1/2 AD into EL. Now area of triangle EDB equal to 1/2 into base into height equal to AR EDB 1/2 base DB into height EL. EL. One, alright. 1, 2. AR, AR, EAD by AR, EDB equal to 1 by 2 AD into EL by 1 by 2 DB into EL. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 EL. AR EAD by AR EDB equal to AD by DB. Statement third. Now area of triangle DAE. Area of triangle DAE by area of triangle DEC. DEC equal to 1 by 2 base AE into height DM by 1 by 2 base EC into DM. कट गया AR DAE बटा AR DEC इक्वल टू AE बटा EC. Statement 4. DAE and EAD same triangle, but DEC and EDC, DEC and EDB are on common base DE between same parallel DE BC. Triangle EDB and triangle DEC are on common base DE and DE common base and between same parallel DE parallel BC. EDB equal to AR EDB equal to AR DEC. Statement 5. From 3, 4 and 5 AD बटा डीवी बराबर एई बटा ईसी प्रूफ। बोलेंगे EAD and DAE same triangle and EDB DEC triangles which area is equal because they are in common on common base DE and between same parallel DE parallel BC.